The world's oldest heart has been discovered in a 380-million-year-old, beautifully preserved, fossil of an ancient jawed fish. Researchers from Curtin University found the heart alongside a separate fossilized stomach, intestine and liver, with the position of the organs similar to modern shark anatomy. The team hopes the discovery will help to shed light on the evolution of the human body. Evolution is often thought of as a series of small steps. But these ancient fossils suggest there was a larger leap between jawless and jawed vertebrates, said Professor Kate Trinajstic, who led the study. These fish literally have their hearts in their mouths and under their gills, just like sharks today. While most animals have one heart, some have multiple hearts, and others have none at all. Octopuses and squids have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills to take up oxygen, and the other pumps blood around the body. Worms are also unusual, with 5 structures called aortic arches acting as basic hearts. The hagfish has 1 true heart plus 3 accessory pumps helping the blood to move. Meanwhile, jellyfish, starfish, and even corals have no hearts at all. Starfish do not even have blood, so this explains why no heart is required. Instead, they use small hair-like structures called cilia to push seawater through their bodies, and they extract oxygen from the water. Source: Frontiers. The researchers found the fossil in the Gogo Formation in the Kimberley region of Western Australia, which would have been a reef 380 million years ago. While soft tissues of ancient species are rarely preserved, the team was amazed to find the fossilized organs were still intact. What's really exceptional about the Gogo fishes is that their soft tissues are preserved in 3 dimensions, said co-author Professor Per Ahlberg, from Uppsala University. Most cases of soft tissue preservation are found in flattened fossils, where the soft anatomy is little more than a stain on the rock. The researchers used neutron beams and synchrotron X-rays to scan the specimens, which were still embedded in limestone. This allowed them to construct 3D images of the soft tissues inside them. We are also very fortunate in that modern scanning techniques allow us to study these fragile soft tissues without destroying them. A couple of decades ago, the project would have been impossible, Professor Ahlberg added. The 3D images revealed that the fish had a complex S-shaped heart made up of 2 chambers, with the smaller of the 2 sitting on top. According to Professor Trinajstic, this was advanced for such an early vertebrate. For the first time, we can see all the organs together in a primitive jawed fish. And we were especially surprised to learn that they were not so different from us, she said.